Hello, friends. I have seen in my practice of so many years, maybe more than 20 years, I have seen that when the patients comes, because being a gynecologist, most of my patients are women. So when they come, they are most of the time they come and then they are not open to the talking about their problem. They are a little hesitant, they are shy. They will sometimes some person who is accompanying them, they will look at the other person, say that maybe that person is going to speak for them. Why can't you speak for yourself? Before coming to the consultation to the doctor, you should prepare yourself. You should prepare yourself, like you should know why are you going to the doctor, what is the problem because of which you have come to the doctor, because in that way only we would be able to help better. So you should, if you don't remember the things, maybe you write down the things, maybe you make a list of the symptoms that you're having, since how many days you're having the symptoms, how those symptoms have been going up and down, whether they have been getting worse, whether they have been getting better, and what was the thing which made it better, whether you took some medication from some other doctor but you were not completely relieved, so you want to take a second consultation from another doctor. Maybe you just went to the chemist shop and bought some medications and took them, and maybe those medications helped you in some way or the other. So you should know your symptoms, the chronology of the symptoms, how long they have been there, what medication you took, and how that medication had the effect on your symptoms. And in past medical history, we need to know whether you have had any major illness in the past for which you had to take some long-term medication, whether you had undergone some surgery. And if you have the documents of the surgeries, it would be better for us, because certain times you won't be able to tell us what was the surgery, what was the name of the surgery. And if you bring those records of your previous surgery, it would be very helpful in helping you in a better way. And then maybe we need to know your family history, and certain times you are not able to tell your problem yourself because if you are not able to communicate better, then you can bring along with your friend or a family member who would be able to tell your problem in a better way. But the best would be you should explain your problem yourself. And then during the visit, when you are with the doctor in the doctor's office, you should be ready. First of all, just remove the fear of the doctor. We are just here to help you. We are not in any ways going to cause any harm to any of our patients. So be relaxed, be uh, open to discussion, be honest of whatever problem you're having. Because certain times, if you don't tell the problems properly, then maybe you won't get the accurate result, and then you will again change your doctor, you will go to another doctor. So be open to the discussion, be ready for the examination, and comply with the doctor's advice. And that ways, after proper examination, doctor would be able to make some conclusion, and just to make the diagnosis more confirmed, then maybe doctor might advise certain blood tests, maybe certain imaging studies like ultrasound, CT scans if they are required for your condition. And then they will prescribe you some medication. And then don't forget to for the follow up. Most of the time patient come for one visit and then they will not come for the follow up. Maybe they'll come after 1 month, 2 months. Doctor, we had come to you 2 months back and now this is the situation. How will the doctor help you in such scenario? You have to be ready for the follow up, maybe within a matter of 3 to 4 days or within a week at least, so that the doctor is making a right diagnosis. Once we make the right diagnosis, then only we can give you the right medication and the right treatment. So be before the consultation, during the consultation, after the consultation. Before consultation, make the list of the problems, how long, when, and what have you done for them. During the consultation, be cooperative with the doctor, help the doctor to help you in a better way. And after the consultation, maybe within a period of 1 week, come back with the reports, so that final diagnosis is being made, so that we can give you a better diagnosis, better treatment, and a better health. So please comply with these advices that I have given you in this video, so that we are able to help all of you in a better way, because our mission is the wellness of all the women who are coming to us. Thank you.